Welcome to Cooking with Mr. Miyagi. Yeah. Let me show you something here. We take the butter, we put it in here, and then we stir it up till it melts like a mother. And yes, this is what we do. If you don't know, the more butter, the better. What we're gonna do is we're gonna chop up some more of this, some of that, some of those. Throw those in there and some more of that. And we're going to make the wife the lunch. She's going to be happy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You put that in there like this. Like that in there. And then you put this in here like this. Oh, yes. Chopped up real finely like. And then you just use your hand. And more of your hand. And more hand. It's not a hand job, but more hands. It's a job for your hands. Cooking with your hands. La-da-dee-da-da-da-da. Hold on, let me get this cabbage out. La-da-dee. Oh. Look at that big cabbage right there. That's a nice fat cabbage. Oh, boy. Okie dokies. So then we cut like this. Oh, yes. Now we cut a big chunk of the cabbage out. Oh. Then we put this down like this. Like that, and then you cut across like this, yes. Oh, you get that butter back up the hot. Oh, yes. In this house, we believe in cooking with your hands. So after you chop up the green onions, you take it and you use your hand, another job for your hand, and you put it in the pot, yes, like this, in the pan, and don't cut your fingers when you're trying to get all the onions up. Jesus, be careful, don't want to have to, throw it all away because the wife will, oh my goodness, did you bleed in my food? Oh my goodness. So, here we go. Oh, so boy, as you can see, the cabbage is starting to wilt. Now we will cut up the carrots, because my wife likes her carrots a little hard. She likes her carrots just a little hard. Not too hard to hurt the teeth. You know what I mean? So now we have the carrots inside the pot or two in the pan. And now we're just going to leave this like this for a little bit and let it steam and cook inside the fattening of the butter. This is not for your weight conscious people. Some of us are big, and we like it like that. And some of us are not so big like I am, and then I like it like that anyway. But hello, look at me. I'm cooking. This is very healthy, even though it's full of butter. Yummy, 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 yummy. As you can see, I cut up all the broccoli, And then we're going to add that to this. Another job for your hen. It's a hen job. There we go. Couple pieces. I like my vegetables. Well, we like our vegetables. So one thing I learned, man, gotta eat them vegetables. It's good for the body. I like the pork. I like the beef. I like the chicken. I like it all. But you got to get them vegetables. They're crucial vegetables that you need to intake every day. So I've cut up all the vegetables and the meat is in the pot, and it is now stewing a little bit, steam cooking with a little water in the bottom. And when that is done, I will add the eggs to the dish.
Put the eggs in the dish.
The dish, yeah, baby. Ow! Say it, girl.
Ready.
Is that on the video?
Say that again. Come back
I'm
over
gonna
here.
open it and be like, what is this?
Say that again.
No, because I said I want it ready by the time I got back.
Well, I decided to do something different.
Oh, no, we will.
Maybe your mama play with my wee wee. Yes.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes. Funny, funny, funny. You guys trying to be funny? Yeah, I'd be funny too. And sick. So here are the 6 eggs cooking. And when they harden just a little bit more, they will go on top of the vegetables and the meat. And then they will be cut into 3 sections and given to the 3 participants that will get to eat this, which is me, my wife, and my daughter. Yummy, 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 baby. Just like that, right there. This is what I'm talking about. This was me, Adair, and I think they will let you know later that they absolutely love the way I cook as always. My wife is the premier cooker in the house, and she makes her dishes. I make my dishes. I cook for my wife and my daughter. Here we go. Thank you very much for watching me cook.